Hey everybody, how are you? This is Randy over at Manufacturers.com, and I tell you, every month we take probably 100 plus emails and phone calls. Folks all over the country asking for how to troubleshooting different things, especially when it comes to screens. I hope I can answer everyone's question. So far I have. So here's what I want to do for 2022. If you have anything that's of question, ideas, thoughts, something that's just driving you, get on our website, send me an email, give me a phone call. Our phone number's on there. I will make a YouTube video, be right here on our channel, Window Screen Manufacturers and King of Solar Screens on the YouTube, with the answer to your question. And we will do our best to do it very detailed and take all the time we need, I guess, to put those videos together for you. So again, feel free, shoot us an email, give us a call. But more than anything, follow us on our YouTube channel. Be sure to click it, like it, follow us. God bless you.